Alright, here's the second part of that football video. Okay, here we go. Devin McCourty, Chad Johnson. Is that Ocho Cinco? Why does he have a card in 2021 football? Wasn't he an annoying pest enough? Why? Why would they? Anyone that gives himself nicknames like Deion Sanders, you know there's something wrong with him. He had a good game to CeeDee Lamb, Godwin, Fulgham, Myles Gaskin. So far, this is not a good pack. Let's see here. DJ Clark Jr. from the Jaguars. Adrian Peterson. I hope to God that's not Adrian Peterson that was on the Vikings. I thought he was playing for Washington. This must be a new Adrian Peterson on the Lions. I know there's like 3 different Adrian Petersons. Natty Ice, Matt Ryan, Dalvin Cook. All right, this is starting to get better. Nick Chubb, Phillip Rivers, Tariq Cohen. All right. And nice, sweet Julio Jones. Score team. I could call it team score, but it says score team. Jim Kelly with a crease. Red insert. It's not a crease, it's one of those press lines when they're making the cards. Press crease, I don't know what it's called. It's from the machines in the factory printing out the cards. Alright, this is Game Face Nick Bosa. Pretty cool looking card. Score team again, Julio Jones. I'll tell you what, this is weird. You got this red one, and then you got the regular one. And this one sucks compared to this one. I know you might not be able to see it as well, but this red one is sweet. This other one's just, it's good. It's okay. The other one's sweet. This looks like, I don't know if it was 88 or 89 or 90. I want to say 90 score football. That's the way the cards looked back then. Must be a throwback. Justin Fields. It's his rookie card, but it doesn't even say what team he got drafted by. Weird. Alright, it's an NFL draft card, but it doesn't say what team drafted him. That's messed up. Justin Herbert, next level. That's a sweet card. That's a nice one. It's one of those goofy three-player card things. They have Paul Mallow, Jack Lambert, and Watt for the Steelers. Drew Lock is another score team. Pretty cool. Derrick Henry, dual card. That's pretty sweet. Next level, CeeDee Lamb. It's a nice card. And one of those goofy 3, like the Steelers I just said. This one is the want to say it's the Cowboys, but I can't really tell. I think it is the Cowboys. It's one of those 3D cards. Lawrence, Smith, and Smith. I've heard of a couple of them, but Derrick Henry, next level. Pretty sweet, actually. 2,027 yards. Not too shabby. Wow, he didn't even have 20 rushing touchdowns. All the yards that he got. Alright, this is a 2021 rookie of Mac Jones. Not too bad. Good pack so far. This is a next level of Stephon Diggs. This pack just keeps giving. Rashad Bateman. They're all flipped upside down and stuff. Aziz Ojolari. Najee Harris rookie card. Not too bad. It's a nice one. I guess I should show it since it's a nice one. Najee Harris rookie card. Najee. Alright. Damon Hazleton Jr. Jamar Chase rookie card. Well, the Hazleton's a rookie card too. Anthony Schwartz rookie card. Shaq Thompson. Linebacker for the Panthers, but that's not a rookie card. Okay, they're flipped upside down. That's when you know the rookies are done. Emmanuel Sanders, Bobby Wagner, Josh Jacobs, Kenny Galladay, Jalen Guyton. That is one cool looking picture. Check this out. He's catching the ball in the end zone, but the way he's catching it, it wasn't a secure catch. It looks like he's trying to hang on for dear life. That's a cool picture. I really like that. Probably the coolest picture I've seen so far out of all these cards. And then you got Kendrick Bourne trying to high step it into the end zone. Looks like he's fallen out of bounds though. I don't think he's going to score a touchdown on that play. Alright, here we go. Alright, second pack. Patrick Queen, Denzel Mims, Nicole Hardeman Jr., Blake Martinez, Jim Kelly, throwback card. Why? Why are you putting frickin' Jim Kelly in a 2021 set? Alex Smith for the Redskins. See it? The Washington Redskins team. See it right there? It says W. See it right there? The Washington Redskins team. Screw you if you don't like it. Go cancel something else. I refuse to ever call them the Washington football team. And I'll never call it the Indians the Guardians. Never. Roquan Smith. Derrick Henry. Washington Bullets? Okay, I understood why. They wanted to change their name. I mean, it's sort of stupid. There's probably idiots back then, too, but Washington Bullets. I always thought, it's funny, before they changed the name, I always said, oh, they should be the Wizards. Make it WW, Washington Wizards. Sure enough, they did it. I couldn't believe it. But, I mean, I would have been pissed if it was like some social justice idiots trying to cancel somebody because of their name. But, you know, there was a high crime rate in Washington, D.C. back then. I remember that. And they thought that the nickname, the Bullets, which had nothing to do with armory shells or whatever, it had to do with the speed of the team. They were as fast as bullet, you know. Superman was able to stop faster than a locomotive, able to leap tall buildings in a single bound. It's faster than a speeding bullet, whatever. But That's what it came from. A speeding bullet. It was fast. Not because guns were shooting bullets and killing people. So I mean, they had the wrong meaning, but I understand that. That one didn't bother me, but come on, Washington Redskins. Okay, so how come they didn't go after the Chiefs? Redskins, Chiefs. Okay. I know they say, oh, because it's derogatory. No, it isn't. Go ask Indians. Go to the reservation and see who their favorite football team is. Some probably say the Chiefs, but I remember them interviewing a guy once, and they're like, "Who do you like?" And he's like, "I root for Washington." And they're like, "Why? Doesn't that insult you?" He's like, "How would it insult me? I'm proud of being an Indian. I'm proud of being a Redskin." Like these people are waffled. These culture whack jobs. Roquan Smith. Derrick Henry. That's a nice card of him in the snow. I was going to blast through it, but this is too neat of a card. Check that out. You see the snowflakes all over. That is a cool card. That's one of the best cards. I think that might be the best card. That's really cool. All right, anyways, Aaron Jones. Young Ho Koo. I never heard of him before. Kyle Rudolph, tight end for the Vikings. Ben Roethlisberger, quarterback for the Steelers. Upside down cards. That means we're going to start getting some rookies, I guess. Yeah, of course. Red Shogarth. Charles Woodson. Overrated. Denzel Mims, red card. 3D Bears, Urlacher, Singletary, and Mack. Yeah, what a great job Singletary did as a coach. Oops. Remember when he stabbed the coach in the back to take over his job? Guy had 1 year of experience as a freaking linebacker coach. I was so glad to watch Singletary just totally self-destruct and suck as a coach, because he sucked. He was terrible. Anybody that would stab. What was the guy's name? Nolan? His dad was a coach for years, for decades, and he gets his chance and he does a good job. And I remember they played the toughest, like the first 7 games. They were 2-5, and they should have been 0-7, because every one of those teams should have beat them. And they should have won two more of those games. He was 2-5. He should have been 4-3. Well, they could have been 4-3, but they should have been 0-7. And then Jerk-off Singletary takes over, and they played the easy part of the schedule for the next 9 games, and I think they went 1-8. Good for you, you piece of shit. Go backstab some more coaches. Nolan, I want to say it. The guy's name was Nolan. That was a disgrace. Scummy Singletary. All right, Deonte Adams. Who is this? Von Miller. Game face. Score team. Justin Jefferson. That's a sweet one. Tua. One of those dual cards, Tua. Next level. DeAndre Swift. Trying to go through them quicker to make sure I get them all done. Kyle Pitts, one of those old retro 91 scorecards. Juju Smith-Schuster, next level. 3D Rams, it looks like. Donald. Riser and Ramsey. And I think it's 3D as in 3 and then defense D. That's what I think it is. All right. Tom Brady, score team. All right, score team. Kyler Murphy. Roundtree III. Amon R.A. St. Brown. Why would you call yourself Amon Ra, I guess? Brevin Jordan. Greg Rousseau. Terry Lance. A lot of these are rookies. Steve Scott III, rookie. Most of these are rookies. Up and flips over. It stops being rookies. Jerry Jeudy. I thought he was a rookie, but I guess not. Steve Largent, throwback. Al Ingold. Tom Brady. Another one of those cool cards in the snow. Neat looking card. Keenan Drake, Brian Burns, and Fred Warner. Okay, that's the break. I guess I'll have to do another video and see who the guys were, and then maybe show you the rest of this stuff. Alright, peace out. Thanks.